In today's video, I am going to teach you how to remove grid lines from specific cells in Excel. This is a simple formatting trick that helps certain parts of your worksheet look cleaner and more polished. It is especially useful when you want a section of the sheet to stand out, or when you are creating a form, a dashboard, or a neatly styled report. Instead of removing grid lines from the entire worksheet, Excel allows you to make specific cells appear blank by changing the fill color. To begin, open your worksheet and identify the exact cells where you want the grid lines to disappear. Click and drag to select that range. If it is just one cell, simply click that cell once. Make sure you only highlight the area where you want this effect, because the formatting will apply only to the selected cells. Once your cells are selected, move your attention to the top of the Excel window and click the Home tab on the ribbon. This tab contains many of the basic formatting tools used for changing the look of your worksheet, including text style, alignment, borders, and cell shading. In the Home tab, look for the font group. Inside that section, find the fill color icon. It looks like a small paint bucket tilted to one side. This tool controls the background color of your selected cells. Rather than clicking the main icon directly, click the small arrow next to it. That will open the full color palette and give you more options to choose from. From the color palette, select white from the theme colors section, specifically the first row. As soon as you click white, Excel will fill the selected cells with a white background. Because grid lines are only visible on cells with no fill, applying a white fill makes the grid lines disappear in just that selected area. If your worksheet already has a white background, this change may seem subtle at first, but the selected cells will now appear clean and free of grid lines. This can be very helpful for creating labels, input areas, or visually separated sections without affecting the rest of the sheet. Keep in mind that this does not actually delete the cells or remove worksheet structure. It only changes how those cells appear. If needed, you can always change the fill color again later. That covers everything you need to know.